Okay, so the pattern says to make a chain of 2, one, 2, and do 3 half double crochets in the second chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Then it says to chain 1 and turn. Chain 1, turning. And then it says to do 2 half double crochet in the first stitch. 1, 2, half double crochet in each across. Just the 1, and then 2 in the last stitch. 1, 2. The pattern says I should have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I have. Then it says to chain 4 and turn, and 4 counts as the first stitch in the first chain. So when it says to skip, you're naturally going to skip this because it's the first double crochet, and you're going to skip 1 and do it in that third one. Your double crochet, chain 1, and then double crochet, skip 1 and double crochet into the next, which is the last in this case. So you have 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and 2 chain spaces, 1, 2. You're going to chain 1 and turn. This is 2 half double crochet in the first stitch. 1, 2. So that's 2 in the first stitch. Then 2 half double crochet in each chain space across until you get to the chain 4. So in this case, it's going to just be 1. So there's 2 in that 1. So right now we have 4. This is the chain 4 space. We're going to do 2 half double crochet in the chain 4 space. And then 1 half double crochet into the third chain. 1, 2, 3. Pattern says I should have 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to chain 1 and turn. Row 4 says I should do 2 half double crochet into the first 2 stitches. So 1, 2 in the first, 1, 2 in the second. It says half double crochet across, leaving the last 2 unworked. 1, 2, 3. Then it says to do 2 half double crochets in the last 2 stitches. 1, 2, 1, 2. Pattern says, see how it's kind of fanning out? Just like yours did. So the pattern says I should have 11. I'll count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's kind of hard to see, but because it was only chain 1. Then we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And turn. I'm going to skip a stitch. Follow the pattern. Double crochet, chain 1, skip a stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, skip a stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, skip a stitch. Double crochet into the last. And then rinse and repeat. And as you grow it, this will actually sort of like pull out like that. As you like put tension against it from the stitches. So then you start over again, you chain 1, it's all pretty much the same now. You chain 1 and then do 2 half double crochets into the first stitch, and then 3 half double crochets, first row 6, 3 half double crochets into the chain 1 space. I'll go ahead and do it with you, the next one. So we're going to do 2 half double crochets into the first stitch. Oops, sorry. My daughter's in the background, my apologies. 1, 2, and then it says to do 3 half double crochet in the first chain 1 space. Oops. 1, 2, 3. And then 2 in each across until you get to the chain 4 space. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then it says 3 half double crochets in the chain 4 space and 1 in the third chain. 1, 2, 3. So there you go. And then just follow the pattern layout. I hope that helps. Let me know if it doesn't. Thanks. Bye.